First, remove the screw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, remove the screw. Use this. We match with the machine. Okay, and then put the machine like this, and then okay, put the machine like this, and then we insert the machine handle. And power on the machine. Okay, power on the machine. Okay, now power on the machine. And you can see the handle like this. Okay, and we begin working the machine handle, and then try where which tuber is loose. Okay, now we put it here, and now the pump is working, air pump working inside, and then we try the tuber one by one. Okay. Now we try here. Try the tuber port. We remove the tuber. How to remove? We press here down, press here down, and then the tuber will remove out. Okay, on one place. Okay, press here down, and then remove out the tuber. Press it down first, and then remove out the tuber. Press it here down, because here the rock inside. You see, here has a rock. Let me try here where the air come out. Now we can see the air come out. If you cannot the air, we can turn the other part. Okay, and if this part has not the air, we put it back. Okay, now we can track from here. Here is the air pump come out the air. Here you can see the